Hey everybody, it's Nolan from SYNQ. We're going to look at setting up some call buttons that are going to be QR codes in your store. They're not going to be a simple call button that just says come to this location. We're going to curate some questions respective to that 4-foot section or that area to get bespoke information to frontline workers, and we're going to do it all through Microsoft Teams. So you'll see on my screen here just how cool this is and how we're going to validate all of this with Microsoft Teams. So we're going to go in here, and this is like the top level admin review, and we're going to do a manage locations, and we're going to add a brand new location. We're going to go to NRF this year in 2024, so why not call this NRF 2024, and we're going to populate those zones and set this up. So we're just going to put in a location name, we can put in whatever this is, and we're going to attach it to an organization. For us it's SYNQ Tech, because we're going to own this, and we're going to create the location. So now that we have this brand new location, we're actually going to go and change our location to NRF 2024, and we're going to go into manage apps. So we're going to go through here, and this is where we're going to be able to turn on different applications. So this could be survey, curbside, the order up platform that we have, but we're going to do the call for help today, and we're going to do our escalations, and we're going to do our expirations right now. So we're going to do a 5-minute expiration on the actual request, and let's do an escalation of say 2 minutes. This could be anything you want. Now, you'll see right here, you've got that default call for help channel. There's nothing populated there. So this is the super cool part. We're gonna go into Microsoft Teams. We're going to join and create this. We're gonna do a public team. I'm gonna call it NRF 2024 because that's kind of what we're doing here. And we're going to create that team within the Microsoft Teams platform. So you'll see that it's creating a team, nice work, it's ready to go. And now we can actually add members of the organization. So I'll obviously add myself. You can add anybody that you want within this phase. I'm a member. And now we're gonna go and manage. We're gonna go to apps, and you're gonna actually see within Microsoft Teams, the SYNQ My Store sitting right there within Teams. So we're now gonna add SYNQ Store to the channel. And now that we've got that validated, we're actually gonna get a Microsoft Teams link within Teams to validate that. It's gonna put us back over to the portal that we have, and we're gonna have that completely validated. Now you'll see in the dropdown, we've got that channel there. We're gonna create help as a channel. So imagine being an NRF and having really basic questions that everybody kind of has, being able to port them through Microsoft Teams, but not just I need regular old help, but I need specific help. Maybe it's registration or something like this. We're going to create that team, and we're going to create help. We're going to create escalations for our management staff, that 2-minute escalation channel that we did, and we're adding all those channels. So now we're back into our SYNQ portal, and now you can see that those Microsoft Teams now actually show up in real time right in the SYNQ portal. We've got our channel for help, we've got our channel for escalations, and now we can just start setting this up. So you'll see now in the portal, we've got canned questions, and we've added some of them for NRF. So we now want to put some prompts in here, like I need help with registration, how much is general admission, when are the conference dates, and we can port these through to have bots automatically answer this. We can do some ChatGPT stuff, or we can get to a point whereby within this platform, we want to dispatch this to a real person. And again, that's the power of this. We're going to get a notification in Microsoft Teams to the right person. So we could have all of the GA questions go to GA folks. We could have all of the registration stuff automatically go through a chat bot or ChatGPT. We're gonna submit these 4 options as I've been taking you through, and we're gonna automatically have this QR code created. So we've got this QR code, and we can now download it, and now we can build the art file around this all within the application. So we're gonna open up that display, we're gonna refresh this window, and you're gonna see that we've got an unbranded call for help that's sitting here that's got those 4 questions in all those 4 boxes, and it's all real time. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do the really cool stuff. We're just gonna grab our logo. So we're gonna go to the NRF page, and we're gonna grab that logo and drop that logo in here. And then we've got the hex codes for NRF that they've got posted. So we're gonna go and put those hex codes in here. And then when we update and save this, you're gonna see in real time, all those brand standards in the logo are now all occurring in that same page. So just to show you how quick and easy this is to set this all up. And really, you know, this is for NRF as just a quick demo, but this is your call buttons in stores for I need help in bakery, I need help at a lock and showcase, struggling to find an item, the item I want is out of stock. You can start to dispatch all of those requests, not just randomly to customer service in aisle 12, but you actually know what your customers want. And that helps on your FLW side because they know what they're actually gonna go do. It helps on the customer side because they know that someone specifically is coming, as you see in that progress tracker. People are actually on the way, they're gonna complete that task. But we get all the data at the end of the day, so we get to actually understand in FLW and retail, what are people actually wanting the help for? How much time do we have spent on this task? What's our average response rates? We just get a ridiculous amount of great data as opposed to just the call button in aisle 12 got hit 12 times a day, if you even have that much data. So we saw how easy it was to set it up. We saw how easy it is to change those questions. Some of this, you might even consider giving the autonomy to your store manager to manage some of those questions or add additional zones. We wouldn't give them any of the branding abilities, of course, but all those questions that we want to use to curate for their unique stores. But let's show what this looks like for the associate. For the associate, we're going to click on I need help with a general admission question. I'm going to, there it is right there. I got my notification through Teams. I'm going to open up that Teams notification and I'm going to be able to go in there and claim that notification. Now, everybody knows that I'm working on that question that's not populated through ChatGPT or a bot. I'm Nolan with SYNQ. Check out our other videos at Retail Clinic.